हरमल गिरकर वाड्यावयली आनीक 33 बांदकामां गोंय दर्यादेग वेवस्थापन प्राधिकरणाच्या रडाराचेर आसात. ह्या विशींचो अहवाल पंचायतीन बुधवारा उच्च न्यायालयांत सादर केल्ल्याची माहिती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगमान दिली. ह्या बांदकामाचो वेवसायीक उद्देशान वापर सुरू आशिल्ल्याचें पंचायतीन आपल्या अहवालात स्पश्ट केला. प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान ह्या बांदकामाची पळोवणी करून ती सील करपाचो आदेश उच्च न्यायालयान दिला. ह्या आदी गोंय दर्यादेग वेवस्थापन प्राधिकरणाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी केल्ले पळोवणेत 217 बांदकामां बेकायदेशीर आशिल्ल्याचे दिसून आयिल्ल्याचें तांचें म्हणणें आसा.
All illegal structures on the beach. The Panchayat filed a report today pointing out some 33 illegal constructions. Now, based on that report of the Panchayat, the High Court has directed that the Pollution Control Board should find out whether these people have any permissions from them, and thereafter, if these permissions are not there, they are ordered to be sealed by the High Court. So, this is the fate of these 33 structures. The Coastal Zone Management Authority has also filed a report pointing out some additional 48 structures which are illegal. So that is how CRZ authority has now completed the inspection and submitted the report. Totally we have found around 217 structures which are illegal, and show cause notices will be issued to all these structures by the CRZ.